question every CFO is asking. Are they behind in the AI transformation race?
Interesting.
Stick around till after the break.
Incredible.
Make this quick, Jonas. I've got a meeting with the whole grain team in 1 minute, then I'm down at the range to close the catch-up deal.
Our SaaS software is becoming pointless. I can cut our operating costs by 8.6% overnight.
And our teams? Won't they be paralyzed?
No, this Cognito AI, it does everything. I saw this guy in my feed who transformed his entire back office with just one prompt, Stone. One prompt.
Jonas, it's your call.
We need to be visionaries.
Jonas, we can't just throw AI at the business and expect it to know what to do.
Yeah. I don't need a lecture. I need Cognito running by the end of today.
Neil, can we at least keep Monday to manage this mess?
No, Jonas said everything goes. And honestly, I don't have the bandwidth.
Well, think of it as our little secret.
Okay.
Where the hell are all my candidates?
I only have a prompt box. Where's my goddamn pipeline?
My influencer platform is gone. My campaign tracker is gone. I have 15 creatives going live in 10 minutes.
So, today has been a lot.
I got you, Zoe. Let's build you an agent. We'll connect to our hiring board, rank the candidates, build a short list, and schedule the interviews.
What about security? I mean, we're giving this thing access to everything.
Actually, same security, same permissions, just like everyone else. She's part of the team.
I've rewritten this prompt 6 times. It still doesn't know what I actually need.
You need to use Monday. Pick an agent, give her a role, tell her what to do.
Oh, hello, Claire.
Oh, I like you, Agent Dave. We are back on!
Maya! I just want to kill all the software. What is that?
You wanted AI to run the business, Jonas, but AI doesn't run a business. People do.
You disobeyed a direct order.
Jonas, my reporting tool is down. I got the board in 20.
Don't worry. Cognito is currently synthesizing a high-level strategic brief.
I don't need a brief. I need to know if the contract is signed, if we've got the inventory to back it up. Your AI just isn't cutting the mustard.
Is that accurate?
The agents pulled the contract status and cross-checked it against live warehouse levels. The team confirmed it.
Walk with me.
I'm gonna need this dashboard in that boardroom. Can you help?
Someone, please just wait. If I can just adjust the prompt.
Carl, Maya's gonna need your help on this.
But damn it!
Okay, Claire, what are we taking on next?